Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to showing you how to make this effect. Like this picture you can see light and shadow together with Adobe Photoshop. Let's go starting, going to the open and opening the picture and going to the toolbar and getting the polygonal tool and making a border like this. And now when we make it a border, going to the list and go to the brightness, and in here we can change the brightness, and now you can control a light around, and now in here you can change this effect, and in here you can make the line or the shadow line as a shadow. So now we in here come to end. So I hope if you love this video, don't forget like and share for learning another people's, and subscribe to see more video in next time. So thank you for watching. See you.